Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make your laptop icon smaller. In this video I will show you that. So let's begin our video. And before starting our video, I would like to request you that if you are new here, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, there you can see my every icon is most bigger. There you can see every icon is bigger, and if I want to make this icon smaller, what should I do? In this tutorial I will show you that. So first, take your mouse and press the right button. Then you can see option view, and on the right side there you can see large icon, medium icon and a smaller icon. If you select medium icon, then it's going a small, and if you again select the a small icon, then it's going more small. So guys, in this way you can make your laptop icon a smaller. It's pretty much easy and simple. So guys, hope this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.